Okay, so this is how to activate the panic alarm on a HKC alarm. So this is the 10270, but you might have to go with a secure watch or the 10s. So what you're going to do is you see these buttons here, star and hash. Hold them until it beeps. So now you'll get flashing lights. Mine has no power, so enter your code to turn it off. So we do that.
System unset. Panel mains alt. Keypad panic alarm. 1st January 013.
And then it will say once you're
Keypad
done,
panic alarm.
press quit. So quit's this button here. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.